first time we met was in 2020 at this festival. Archie was over playing with a singer from Cookstown called Davy Stewart, and yeah, I mean, like, I thought the Archie was amazing and really wanted to like pick your brains about the music you were playing. So yeah, we just kind of became friends from that. And then we were just up the road in the Derby after a gig one night, and we were sat at the bar, and Archie was like, "Will we just make an album?" And I was like, "Yeah."
It's as simple as that, yeah.
And then that was it.
Dad plays a lot of traditional music, so I grew up playing a lot of music with him, and then also played in various youth folk groups in the southwest of England. They're quite rare to find. There's not the kind of same infrastructure as you see over in Ireland, but there are things available. And so started playing a lot of English music as well, and more recently I've started playing a lot of Irish music.
Like a lot of Irish traditional players who are based in Ireland kind of grew up with it being in your family a lot of the time. Mine was kind of from not my immediate family, but cousins and uncles and all those types of things. And kind of that upbringing where you went to Irish dancing and you played Gaelic football and they learned music eventually. So I started playing the accordion when I was 11, and then just haven't looked back ever since. Our playing styles are like kind of similar, but we've had to probably learn how to complement each other because of our different traditional backgrounds there.
We've got sets of slip jigs, we've got a set of reels, but then we've also got some traditional tune types from mainland Europe. So we're playing a 5-time waltz and a schottische, and then we've also got a set of 3/2 hornpipes, which is something that's very popular in the English tradition. It's something that we've seemed to have loads of, and you don't really find it in other traditions.
We just really wanted to explore how the instrument could be used to complement each other's styles, and how we could use it to kind of fill out the soundscape as much as we could, I think. So
yeah, trying to really explore like the limitations of the instrument and actually use that as a starting point to try and arrange the music, because we don't have a traditional like accompanist. You know, we haven't got a guitarist or like a keys player on the record or in the live gig. So it's really trying to explore how, like Moya was saying, how we can work together and not just both be playing the tune all the time. You know, swapping our roles in the arrangements.